Know who my favorite athlete is? If Michael Jordan ain't listening in right now, you got to get on TV because I love you so much, Michael Jordan. I talk about you all the time.
Would you like him to come visit you?
I like him to come visit me because I don't know what to do if I was to meet Michael Jordan. I don't know what to do.
I think you just put it out in the universe. Maybe this is going to happen.
Yeah, because I was trying to see if he could get a Nike Michael Jordan shoe deal.
You're a smart guy.
Yeah.
Okay, if Michael Jordan walked up here right now, what would you say to him?
I'll probably lose it. Probably get emotional. Yeah.
Well, we're going to follow up with you when he comes to pay a visit, okay?
Okay.
All right, we're going to see if we can make that happen.
Oh, yeah.